I'm Kumari Chetana from KIT Group of Institutions, currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science. So today I'm here to present a topic, map reduce in big data. So let's talk about what is map reduce in big data and how it is helpful to us. So, moving towards the introduction to big data. First of all, what is big data? Big data extremely refers to the large and complex data sets which can't be solved using traditional methods or traditional computer systems. So, for the same, we use something called tools to manage these big data in order to store these data in a system which is not um, like uh, not normal or not a small system. It uses a greater concept than the normal CPUs and like memory, etc. So it is characterized by the 5 V's, and three of which are volume, velocity, and variety. So if I talk about volume, it means that massive amount of data generated every second is balanced and is managed by big data. Second is velocity. Data is produced and processed at high speed. Third is variety. Comes in different formats like text, images, videos, and logs. Like big data is used in fields like AI, business analytics, healthcare, and finance to derive insights, improve decision making, and enhance automata. So let's start with the topic map reduce. Like what is map reduce? The name suggests that map and reduce. Like data is firstly reduced in the form of map by mapping it to certain number. It is basically a programming model used in big data processing to handle large scale data set efficiently in a distributed computing environment. It was developed by Google and works in two main stages. First one is map phase and the second is reduce phase. If I talk about map phase, it breaks down the large data set into smaller chunks and processes them in parallel to generate key value pairs. If I talk about the reduce phase, it aggregates and processes the map data to produce meaningful results. So MapReduce enables scalability, fault tolerance, and parallel processing, making it efficient for handling petabytes of data in search engine, log analysis, and machine learning applications. So let's see what are the steps we follow in order to make the MapReduce technology useful. So if I talk about the first step, it includes splitting of data. Like input are split it into smaller chunks, which is also known as splits. Each split is processed independently for parallel executions. So let's move forward to the second step. What we do is like mapping. We process these parallel chunks into in parallel format, and each split is processed by a mapper function. This mapper function converts the raw data into key value pairs. Like key comes at the first and value in the second. For example, if we take the example of big, so big word will be mapped with the value as 1. So 1 is the key and big is the value here. So now let's move forward to the third step. It includes shuffling and sorting. The intermediate key value pair are grouped by key. Data is sorted and transferred to the reducer. If I talk about the fourth step, reducing, aggregating results. The reducer aggregates values for each step, produces the final output. For example, if we take is here you can see there are three pairs of key value. First one is big with 2, data with 1 is with 1. So let's move forward. So here is a rough structure to make you understand more easily what MapReduce does. So here you can see we have four blocks in yellow color, and these blocks are mapped to certain key value pairs. These maps are combined together, and after that the sorting and shuffling step takes place. After that we reduce the map to form a common word with the common key, and at the final stage we produce the output here. So at the end, let's talk about what are the applications features, like why we are using MapReduce in big data, what is the concept, and why there is a need to use map reduction. So now if I talk about the application, it is helpful for the search engines like Google's web indexing. Second is log analysis, server logs processing, machine learning, handling large data sets, e-commerce, user behavior analysis, and recommendations. So next one is are the features. Let's focus on this like flowchart. Here we can see that feature of reduce includes parallel programming, like we can program parallelly more than one or multiple programs at the same time. If I talk about another features, it is cost effective solution. It can give cost effective solution. It is simple data locality, fault tolerance, and scalability. So this is the concept of map reduction. Hope you liked it. Thank you and have a great day.